Bitcoin is breaking above all-time highs right now, and as this is happening, we are seeing the weekly breakout getting confirmed. And in today's update video, obviously, I want to give my price targets. I am, of course, currently also seeing that we're breaking above the most important weekly resistance on that weekly Fibonacci. And yes, I'm going to, of course, give you my exact targets where I think Bitcoin will likely find its next resistance. Because since we're right now in price discovery, there's only one way how we can find the most important levels of resistance. Obviously, like you can see from this chart, this is of course something that worked last time around as well. And I'm going to give you an update on how to find the next big level of resistance, because now we are entering the expansion phase again. And I want to give you guys an update where to look out for in this big push towards the upside. I'm going to give you a big update on my current ongoing trades. We're right now in more than $2.1 million in profit from the trades I all showed you on the channel about 6 to 7 weeks ago. So don't forget to, of course, once again, slap up that like button back above 1,000 likes. It will be highly appreciated. And obviously, I am currently also looking at Ethereum and seeing a major opportunity over there as well. So make sure to watch this video, but let me straight away dive in towards it, because currently we are seeing the Bitcoin hit a new all-time high here. I do, of course, want to be mentioning we are currently once again creating another CME gap since we're trading on the weekend. But just like I said also on the previous one, I mean, we have seen this many times happen before, where we create these major CME gaps and only fill them up months later. So it is, to be honest, not too big of a deal in my opinion. But of course, Bitcoin is clearly right now breaking out, and we were already looking at the W-shaped pattern, the double bottom pattern on Bitcoin. Of course, we broke the neckline, and ever since we did so, we had a price target all the way up to about $126,000. This target is obviously already almost reached here. And of course, that is just amazing to be seeing here. Bitcoin exactly following the technicals we've been looking at, and now is about to hit its price target. And truly, once again, it just shows you how important a double bottom structure is, and how important horizontal levels of support and resistance are here. You can clearly see it. Previous resistance here flipped into support. And of course, this is not a chart I'm showing you right now, but this is also the chart I showed you while it exactly was happening. And we were clearly stating on the channel in every single video that we, of course, remain to be long on the market. And of course, right now it is paying the dividends. So yes, we're long on Bitcoin, now at about $2 million in profit. And like I said in all my previous videos already, the plan remains the same here. I will be taking the most of the profits on the trade around $130 to about $137,000. And the $137,000 is, in my opinion, a very good level to be opening up short positions, because I am expecting that, yes, over there, we're going to be finding a lot of resistance, because ultimately, if you are in price discovery in Bitcoin bull markets, the most reliable way to find resistance, because you're in price discovery, you don't know where it's going to get rejected, is of course the Fibonacci extension tool here. This is what I learned in all my years of trading, and that is why I do think this is of course going to be an important level of resistance. And yeah, and as soon as we confirm the break above that $122,000 level, we are just going to be seeing that continuation and that free space to move towards this next level, because there are not going to be a lot of sell orders along the way up here. Of course, $130,000, they're going to be some sell orders over there because it's a psychological level. But ultimately, we are right now once again entering that next expansion phase here. And I do want to be still mentioning this here, because I think I've said it so many times. I mean, I do want to be mentioning it. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, guys. I am in long positions, but you have to understand the structure on Bitcoin is getting more and more dangerous. You can clearly see it on the RSI in the weekly time frame. We're creating lower highs, price action creating higher highs. So what are we seeing? A major bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. So ultimately, we are right now creating a topping structure in the market. Are we going to top today? No, I don't think so. I think we're still going to be running up higher, because that is also where I have my price target set up for this Bitcoin trade here. But as we know here, if we're going to be looking, of course, at timings of this Bitcoin bull market, if we're going to be looking for the Bitcoin halving cycle profit indicator, you can see we right now should be having about 3 to 4 weeks left here, maybe 6 weeks before this Bitcoin bull market is going to be ending. But like mentioned many times before, the most exponential rallies on Bitcoin always come at the end stage of the cycle. And of course, that is currently clearly where we are at. So yes, I think we're going to be still getting a very exciting 3 to 4 weeks left here in this Bitcoin bull market. And then also, of course, on the weekly time frame, we're right now breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, and ultimately the price target of this breakout is also $137,000, that major level of resistance on the Fibonacci. So I really think there's going to be a continuation. I really do think the continuation for Bitcoin is just going to come further. And I do also want to be mentioning, guys, if you did join these trades, congratulations, because I showed every single trade on YouTube in the private Telegram group here. And if you did copy them, congratulations. And I am even considering right now to open up a copy trading account here. Yeah, if you want to be doing so, make sure to first of all sign up an account to WeX using that first link in today's video description. Because if you're doing so, you will not only get a 25% fee rebate, making this the cheapest exchange to operate from, but also, guys, they're giving you a free $100 by signing up an account, confirming your email and your phone number. So yeah, if you want to get a free $10 to $100 coupon to already start trading, check out WeX. And also on top of that, like you can see over here on this landing page, they're giving away more than $30,000 in deposit bonuses as well here. So if you're looking for a good exchange to trade on, check out WeX in that first link in today's video description. But ultimately, Bitcoin is just seeing that continuation. The bull flag pattern is breaking out here. And in my opinion, if I'm looking right now at a good trading opportunity, I am not personally looking at Bitcoin at this moment of time because I'm already in my trades, but I'm more looking, of course, at Ethereum, because on the daily time frame on Ethereum, we are about to see this bull flag break out here. And if I'm looking at the weekly time frame, the structure on Ethereum is, in my opinion, looking very bullish, and it really looks like it is going to be popping very soon here. I mean, I can clearly see it is definitely Bitcoin that is going very hard right now, but I think Ethereum is going to catch up fairly soon here, because you can see consolidation below the all-time high, rejection first, then a retest of this major previous range here, flipped into support, and now the bull flag is about to be breaking out, and the continuation is about to start for Ethereum. And of course, I am also in this major trade on Ethereum, which is now in about $700,000 in profit. And personally, I am targeting 6,000 to about 6,500. And I think it's very realistic to come next year after seeing Bitcoin going so exponential. We are expecting that these ETF flows also on Ethereum are going to get started up again here. FOMO from institutions is going to be returning, and this is of course going to be fueling the next leg towards the upside. And you can see it also on the Fibonacci on Ethereum, where the next major resistance lays is $6,340. That is also where I will be taking most of my profits on my current trades here. So yes, I will keep you guys up to date also in the private Telegram group on all my trades in real time. But personally, if you're looking for a great trade right now, in my opinion, my eyes are clearly coming to Ethereum. And I mean, if you've been in the Telegram group, guys, you've also seen that, of course, I opened up this trade on Aptos. That is why I would recommend to join this private Telegram group right now here, because this trade on Aptos, guys, I shared my exact trading setup. And right now, this trade is more than $200,000 in profit. So that is, of course, absolutely insane here. And of course, I share all these trading setups in the private Telegram group here. So guys, don't forget to join it as well here to stay up to date. It's not, by the way, only me who is sharing trades there, but I've also got 5 other professional traders that are sharing daily setups every single day on multiple pairs. So make sure to join it using that second link in today's video description. But anyways, guys, this was it for me in today's update video. Congratulations with the new all-time high of Bitcoin. Like I basically said in this video, I think a continuation is happening for Bitcoin. And yeah, whenever I will be closing my trades, you will be, of course, the first one to know here on the channel. But anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. Subscribe to the channel, slap up that like button, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.